Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we're gonna be showing you how to make this really beautiful and easy to make calligraphy of Allah on a canvas. Let's begin. We're needing our paper, canvas board, golden diamonds, black sand, sponges, glue, and paints. Now let's begin. At first, I'll be drawing the calligraphy on the paper. This is an A4 size paper, and you can also decide whatever size you like. And I'll be back after I complete. There we go, I have completed the drawing. And now it's time to cut it out. I have cut it out. Let me just take out the canvas. And its position on the canvas will be here, right there in the middle, slanting. But before that, I have to make the background, which I will be doing using colors. I will be using sponges to dab it like this. I will mostly be using light colors like pink, orange, yellow, and a little bit of green as well. Now the background's done, and I have outlined the leaf on the canvas. Before our next step, I have decided to remove the golden diamonds and use the golden glitter instead, because we found it later on that we had these, so we are using that instead. The English Allah will be in black, and the smaller one in Arabic will be golden. Now let's begin. First, I will begin with the English side, which is the black sand. I will be drawing a line of glue. You can say drawing. And there should be a little thickness to the glue so that the sand sticks well and not just falls off. Put the sand. After that, give it a little dab so that it sticks properly, and just fall off the extra sand. Give it a little tap, and let's continue. You can see that I am trying to put as much as glue as I can on the borders so that we cannot see the pencil marks. Just put the sand, fall off the extra, and just like that, we have to do it to the whole word. And I'll be back after I have done it. Okay, we are back, and you can see it already looks really good. And now it's time for the Arabic side. Now just put the glue. And now put the glitter. And now just shake off the extra. Oops. Yeah, some of it is still there, which will give it a very good glitter feeling, a shiny look. Our DIY is complete, and you can also see that I have used the color of the backgrounds respectively to give it a more highlighted look and make the word Allah look more good and more beautiful and more vibrant. It gives it a really nice look. As you can see, a very good shading, beautiful look, and this was very easy to make. It took really less time, and I've also thought of adding lights to it, and this is how it looks with the lights. I think it looks really good even as a night decor now. Now please remember to like, share and subscribe. Bye.